Hello, in this video, we will begin to introduce chapter 4. We will cover mathematical functions, characters, and strings. First, let's look at mathematical functions. Mathematical functions can be categorized as trigonometric functions, exponent functions, and surface functions. Those are the trigonometric functions: sine, cosine, tan, a sine, a cosine, a tan. All the arguments are radians. For example, sine 0 returns 0. Sine 270 times pi divided by 180. So this is radians, returns -1. Sine pi divided by 6 returns 0.6. Here, pi is a constant with value 3.14159. Exponent functions, exp returns e raised to power of x, so e is x. Log x returns the natural logarithm. Log 10 returns the best 10 logarithm of x. Power, we already used this function, returns a raised to power of b. Square root returns the square root of x. Assume e is a constant with value 2.71828. exp 1.0 is this e. Log e natural logarithm is 1.0. Log 10 is 1. Rounding functions. Rounding functions are defined in the CMath header file. Ceil is to round up x to its nearest integer. Floor is to round down to its nearest integer. Round is round x. For example, Ceil 2.1 returns 3. It is round up. Floor 2.1 returns 2.0. The min, max, and abs functions. Max returns the max number between the two values, and min returns the minimum between two values. abs is to return the absolute value. Let's look at this example, computing angles of a triangle. So given 3 points, each point has 2 coordinates, x, y. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. We're going to compute the angles A, B, C. This is the formula. A is, this is A cosine, and with this is ABC is the distance between the points. These are the edge side. Don't be intimidated by the mathematic formula. As we discussed in the preceding chapters, given the formulas, you don't have to know how the formulas are derived. Given the formula, you will be able to plug the numbers into the formula. So here's the input. There's 3 points. We can compute the distance using a formula. And once we have the distance, we plug the ABC into the formula to get the angles for A, B, C. We write this program as follows. We're going to prompt the user to enter the input, enter 3 points. So this 3 points, we're going to tell the user enter the 3 points. Now here, it's not really clear. How do you enter the 3 points? We can give more detailed information, says that enter the coordinates of 3 points separated by space. So let's put this right here. So we're going to say this, enter coordinates of 3 points separated by space, like x1, space, x2, space, so on. So now we're going to have x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. From these 3 points, we can compute the distance between the points. So there's 3 sides, A, B, C. A is, this is very important, you know where A is. A is the distance between these 2 points, x2, y2, x3, y3. So that is this x2 minus x3 times x2 minus 3. This is to get the power, get the square of this x2 minus x3, y2 minus y3 square. Similarly, we get a B and C. Now we can compute A. So let's have a constant for pi. So this, apply this formula, A cosine. So this is the A cosine. We're going to apply this formula, plug A, B, C into the formula. So this is A, B, C into the formula now. So we're going to have this, plug it in, and this is the value right here. We're going to write this. Now we have A, B, C. So these are the angles. So we're going to display the angles now. Display 2 digits after the decimal point. I think we have more than that. Let's see what do we have here. It's a round. So we're going to run it. This should be, so let me run this program, see what is the output now. So that's right. This is 2 digits after the decimal point. So this is what you have. You're going to have this A times 100, run it, and then divided by 100.0. So this will have 2 digits after the decimal point. And so this is the A, angle A, 15.26 degrees, 90 degrees, 74.74 degrees. So for A, B, C. That's all for this section. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.